Welcome to Amazing 7, and today we are counting down our picks for the 7 best fantasy series on Netflix. Television is a great medium for fantasy stories, allowing complex mythologies and worlds to unfold over the course of many episodes. These shows cast a spell on viewers by immersing them in strange settings with their own rules, factions, and characters, and keep them guessing with plenty of plot twists, often fueled by the schemes of powerful villains. If you're looking for the perfect escape, we've got you covered with this list of exciting fantasy series. From family-friendly animated shows to mature stories featuring nightmare-fueling monsters, these shows spotlight genre's broad appeal. Number 7. Shadow and Bone. An adaptation of Leigh Bardugo's best-selling novels Shadow and Bone is set in Ravka, a fictional world inspired by 19th century Russia.
Tell me what happened in the fold. What saved you?
Where magic users called Grisha are recruited to fight in a brutal, long-running war. When the young orphan Elena Starkov Jacimeli is revealed to possess a rare power that could destroy the Shadow Fold, the monster-infested darkness that split Ravka in two. She must try to maintain control of her own destiny as she becomes entangled in court intrigue and the schemes of an ambitious gang leader. Season 2 brings even more action, romance, and heartbreak plus new characters, as Elena continues her quest to fight the powerful General Kerrigan Ben Barnes and take down the Fold. Number 6. The Sandman. The Sandman is a faithful adaptation of Neil Gaiman's DC Comics series that immerses both devoted fans and new audiences in the rich tales of Morpheus Tom Sturridge, the Lord of Dreams who must reclaim his power and right past wrongs after being imprisoned for more than 100 years. It's a complex series with a deep cosmology that includes occultists, living nightmares, demons, and death herself. The show also features lush costumes, dramatic battles of will, gorgeous special effects, and some truly unsettling horror. Number 5. The Witcher. This Emmy-nominated drama adapts the dark fantasy novels of Polish author Andrzej Sapkowski, which also inspire a hit video game series. The show follows Geralt of Rivia, Henry Cavill, monster hunter of Hire who becomes entangled in the destiny of the orphan princess with strange magical powers.
I've heard tales of your kind, Witcher.
Geralt's trained to dispatch all sorts of dangerous creatures, but he has a much harder time staying out of the machinations of rival monarchs and sorcerers. Cavill will hand over Geralt's sword when Liam Hemsworth takes over the role in Season 4. Number 4. Sweet Tooth. Sweet Tooth is based on Jeff Lemire's beloved comic series. This fantasy adventure takes place after a pandemic that has wiped out much of the population. At the same time, human-animal hybrids start being born into a world divided over whether these children are a result or cause of that devastating sickness. The half-human, half-deer Gus, played by Christian Convery, is one such child who sets off from his scheduled life in the wilderness following the death of his father, Will Fort, in the hopes of finding his mother. What comes next is an action-packed and dangerous journey that pairs Gus with a reluctant protector, Nonso Anozi, all while a doctor, Adil Akhtar, races to find a cure for the disease so he can save his infected wife.
We've made it ours to protect them.
If you haven't already watched the show's first season, sink your teeth into it now before Season 2 arrives. Number 3. Lucifer. The Lucifer comic book series is a spin-off of the Sandman based around Neil Gaiman's take on the fallen angel. Lucifer was adapted for TV first, starting on Fox before moving to Netflix. The show follows the devil, Tom Ellis, after he becomes bored of running hell and leaves his job behind.
What will your corrupt little organization do about this?
We're done here.
Someone out there needs to be punished.
Stop caring. You're the devil.
Moving to the City of Angels to open a nightclub, he winds up working with the LAPD to solve supernatural crimes while also dealing with angels, demons, and gods with their own schemes. Number 2. Chilling Adventure of Sabrina. Being a teenager is complicated, but especially so far Sabrina Spellman Kiernan Shipka, who's trying to divide her time between two schools, Baxter High and the Academy of the Unseen Arts. Heavy on the supernatural horror, this show, based on the Archie comics character, follows Sabrina as she struggles to keep her mortal and witch life separate while staying true to her strong convictions.
Are you willing to forsake the path of light and follow the path of
There's also plenty of steamy romance. She is torn between her wholesome human boyfriend Harvey and charming warlock Nick. Number 1. The Magicians. The Magicians is based on Lev Grossman's books. The sci-fi show provides a dark look at the dream of going to wizarding school. The college-age students of Brakebills University of Magical Pedagogy deal with both the extreme perils of magic and the ennui that comes from not knowing how to best use their power, while a young woman who was denied admission seeks her own answers. Things get even more complicated when the characters venture into the world of the Fillory and further novels, a series similar to C.S. Lewis' The Chronicles of Narnia books.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.